This holiday season, if you want to enjoy your eggnog with some extra protein, this is the recipe for you. Let's start off with our egg yolks. I like to do this in my hands. I find it's the easiest way not to mess up. Just hold the eggs between your fingers. In a medium bowl, whisk your egg yolks until slightly thickened. Gradually whisk in the sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. In a saucepan, combine the milk. Now the reason this eggnog is high in protein is because the milk we're using has 18 grams of protein per serving. Cream, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Warm the mixture over medium heat until it's hot, but not boiling. You'll see steam and small bubbles around the edges. Now we need to temper the eggs. Slowly ladle in the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture while whisking constantly. Repeat this process several times while whisking constantly. This warms the eggs gently so they don't become scrambled eggs. Pour the tempered yolk mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk and cream. Cook on low to medium heat, stirring constantly with a spatula. For safety, you can use a thermometer and bring it to about 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit until it's thickened nicely and coats the back of a spoon. Once it's removed from the heat, you could stir in some vanilla and the alcohol of your choice. Today, I'm using some spiced rum. You can taste and adjust the flavor to your liking. Let's whisk that all together. Now, you could store it in a jar, leave it in the fridge overnight to cool, but personally, I like to drink it a little warm. If you enjoyed this high protein eggnog recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.